Have you ever been asked for your UK tax identification number? In this video, I'll clearly explain exactly what a tax identification number, that's your TIN, is in the UK, where to find yours and how to use it effectively. Hello there, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more useful tips and tax insights. Today we're diving deep into UK tax identification numbers. So let's get started. A tax identification number, TIN, is an identification number assigned by tax authorities worldwide to individuals or businesses for tracking tax obligations. In the UK, there isn't a single universal TIN. Instead, different numbers are used based on your specific circumstances, such as National Insurance Number, the NINO, Unique Taxpayer Reference, the UTR, VAT Registration Number, Company Registration Number, the CRN, and your PAYE reference number. Therefore, when asked for a tax number, it's essential to understand the context to provide the correct identifier. For example, if a local institution requests a tax identification number, they typically refer to your national insurance number, your NINO. This is because the NINO, or national insurance number, is uniquely assigned to individuals from the age of 16 and remains unchanged throughout their lifetime. In contrast, other tax numbers, such as the Unique Taxpayer Reference, or your UTR, can change under specific circumstances like bankruptcy. Let's quickly explore each of these identifiers. Your national insurance number is a unique identifier composed of 2 letters, 6 digits and 1 final letter. For example, QQ, 123456 and B. You can usually locate your national insurance number on official documents such as your payslips, your annual P60 statement, or various letters from HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC. Additionally, you can access your national insurance number digitally through your personal tax account or HMRC app. A national insurance number is given to all UK residents and is held for life. Several key organisations may typically request your national insurance number for administrative purposes, including employers, to deduct taxes and make national insurance contributions, HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC, to manage taxes and social security records, Department for Work and Pensions, that's the DWP, for processing state benefits and pensions, banks and financial institutions. When opening accounts or applying for credit with local and foreign banks, they may ask for your national insurance number. Local authorities, like the council, to administer housing benefits and council tax support as well. Student loan companies, for tracking student loans and managing repayments. Pension providers, to handle contributions and manage retirement pensions. A business in the UK or abroad may also request your tax identification number. In such cases, it's best to review the form or request carefully to identify which type of number matches the format being asked for. If the format is unclear, please provide your national insurance number, as it's the most appropriate. However, if the request appears to be related to self-employment or personal tax affairs, your Unique Taxpayer Reference, that's your UTR, may be more suitable. Other tax numbers relevant to UK tax residents are Unique Taxpayer Reference, the UTR. Your UTR is a 10-digit code assigned by HMRC. You'll need it for self-assessment tax returns or if you run a limited company. You can find it in your personal tax account online or on previous tax returns or letters from HMRC. VAT Registration Number. Businesses registered for VAT have a 9-digit VAT number. For example, GB 123456789. You can find your VAT number on your VAT registration certificate, submitted VAT returns or company invoices and receipts. Company Registration Number, CRN. This is an 8-character identifier for businesses registered at Companies House. It's printed on your Certificate of Incorporation, any correspondence from Companies House relevant to your company, and can also be found by searching the Companies House Register. PAYE Reference Number. If you're an employer, you'll have a PAYE reference number to track taxes and national insurance contributions for your employees. You'll find your PAYE number on your HMRC employer-related correspondence, payroll documents, or your HMRC online account. So that's it for today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tax advice. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you the next time.